Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the pound yen advanced last week but did sell off Thursday, Friday, couldn't hold above monthly resistance at 186.75. Are we dealing with a false break or moving higher? We'll have to wait and see. At the start of the week there was 185.95 day support, holder support. Can price come back up to retest 186.75 and break above to hold the uptrend? If we hold at 186.75 on a retest, expect a move back down the range. Back down towards weekly support at 183.81. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.